Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be opening some packs on footwiz.com. And if you can tell, you can probably hear me, I'm a little bit sick. But so I'm just going to be opening some packs on footwiz.com. If it will load, which it's loading right now. Hopefully we get somebody good for 50,000. We got nobody really good, I'm guessing. Tevez, that's like it. For the next player, the next pack, and Vidal. Vidal is pretty good, I don't know. Then, next who are we gonna get? Are you gonna add? Hello? I can already see Alaba. That's it. With Ryan. He's pretty good. Hopefully it doesn't lag so much. Oh, oops. Oops. Please be somebody good. Ooh, I got Inform Kane. And Van Persie, wow. Those are two really good soccer players. Okay, nobody good. Nobody good. Tevez, I knew that he was going to be in this pack. $150, it might be like 2 informs. I'm guessing 2 informs. Or a Rebby. Yep, Rebby. Rebby is a pretty good person. Rebby is a pretty good person. He's pretty high rated. He's pretty good. Who do we get next? And 93,000, so I'm guessing, yeah, it's gonna be Fernando Torres. You don't do anything for me. I can already see, yeah, that's nobody good. Lennon, I've had him on my ultimate team for such a long time. Okay, we got nobody. And we got Tris Fabregas, Suarez, and Xabi Alonso. And he's 7,000. He's not 3,000. So, CDM too, wow. Xbox right there. What does that do? Xbox. Xbox. Yeah. I got Sanchez. Not that good. Godin. Not that good. He was born Uruguay. Neuer. I got Neuer. Pretty good. That's pretty good. What's Neuer's speed? I don't know. Nobody good in that pack. I think we're gonna get somebody good. I feel like I have a lot more luck on the Xbox, so that's why I switched to the Xbox. In my first pack on the Xbox, I got Neuer, and now in my second one I got Aaron Ramsey. All I wanted was, that would be funny if I got the Team of the Week Aaron Ramsey. What is that? Oh, I opened the wrong pack. So funny. Got to go, and I couldn't even see Hunter, and nobody else. Well, Joe Hart and William. But how tall is William? I'm gonna see after. William. Oh, I'm gonna check after this. He looks really short. He looks like a kid. Like, I'm not joking. Okay, I already see Neymar. Oh, not the upgrade version though. Darn it. Let me search William's name. There we go. That one. How tall is he? Height 175 centimeters. He's pretty short. He's 26 years old. Wow. Cool. Let's go for another pack. I'm gonna go for a 90 or plus rated player, and then I'll end the video. If I even get one. Oh, I got Götze. I got Götze. And so I have to get a 90 rated or a plus player to be able to end the video. $59,000. Nobody. I'm just gonna skip that. You don't need to see that. $313. It might be Neuer again. Or Diego Costa and Aguero in the same pack, and Hernandez and Drogba. Oh my god. That would be an insane pack. Aguero goes for so much. Okay, so a 90 plus or a 90 rated or plus player, and they'll end the video. Don't run this pack. Hunter is so slow. 3 million? Oh, he's so close to 90. That doesn't count though. He might be 3,300,000 coins, but he's still not 90 rated. Get informed 89 rated Neymar. Oh my god. I know the best pack that I've ever gotten. Oh, that was a fun time. The best pack that I ever has got. Martin, that is a really good guy. The best pack that I've ever gotten was Man of the Match Ronaldo on this. It was Man of the Match Ronaldo on this. And it was about like, I don't know what it was, but I got Man of the Match Ronaldo. A left wing Man of the Match 95 rated Ronaldo. That was my best pack. He costed 12 million to 15 million coins. Come on. I know it's coming. It's coming now. No, it's not. Modric. The upgrade version too. Wow. Sanchez. Iniesta so close. In a rare. In form too. Right back. 71, I might as well just skip it. I know there's not going to be anybody. Did that just say? Oh, there's Alberto Carlos. I was like, what? No, come on. Just go there. Yes, okay. Then, there. Ow, 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 ow. How long has this video been so far? It's been 9 minutes. Who cares? YOLO. What did I get? I'm not going to look. Okay, hopefully it's done. Oh, okay, I got, horrible players. I'm not going to look again. I'm not going to look. Okay, it's done. Okay. Oh, I got a man of the match already. And I got Aubameyang with a Batman mask on. And I'm just going to do the rest of the video without looking. I'm not looking. I'm not going to look. I'm not going to look. Okay, now I think it's finished. Oh, yep, it is. Okay, so I got Matthew and nobody else. I'm not gonna look again. Who do I get? I wonder. Hopefully it's finished. Ooh! Ooh! Oh my god, how much is that pack? Ooh! I got 92 rated Inform Robin. Oh my god, and Falcao. I got 3 Informs. Oh my god. 92 rated Robin. Oh my god. Falcao. 94 rated Pedro. Oh my god. That is insane. Okay, well, I'm going to end the video there, so I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like and a comment telling me what to play next, and I will continue this series, so make sure to subscribe. Bye.